What's going on? It's November 21st. I'm so excited. I just saw this 2 days ago, researched it, find out where I can get my hands on one, so I was able to pick one up today. Not at retail price, but still I'm excited. It's the new Panini 2020 NFL Rookies and Stars, and this is the mega box, and it contains one autograph and 2 memorabilia cards. So I'm pretty excited. It's got 6 packs, and each pack has 10 cards. So let's take a look. I got my sleeve standing by. Come on now. Okay, there you go. All right. Like the box, nice looking. All right. Let's see how they package this guy up. Okay, so they do it sideways. Okay, up there, so let's put that in the background. And as I always like to do, superstitious, mix it up. Right? Okay. Wish me luck. Need to find an autograph. And not just any autograph. Hopefully a star player. Alright, let's see what these look like. So, Rookies and Star set. Kirk Cousins. David Johnson. Mike Evans. Patrick Mahomes. Okay, that'll get sleeved up after this. Russell Wilson. Aaron Jones. Rookie Rush. Jake Fromm. That's a nice card. We'll put that aside real quick. And some kind of points. Don't know what this is. I'll have to research it. Maybe you get something redeemed. Anthony Gordon. Rookies and Stars. AJ Dillon. So I'll put the rookies and others aside. Come on. I feel that rookie. That autograph of someone big. Looking for a Tua, Joe Burrow, Justin Herbert, Stephon Diggs, David Montgomery, Odell Beckham Jr., Travis Kelce, Tyler Lockett. What is this? Ticket Masters, Derrick Henry. That's nice. Serial number, I'll put it aside anyway. Justin Tucker, Standing Ovations. Terry Bradshaw, Airborne. That's a nice one. Denzel Mims. Damon Arnett. Right. Come on now. Looking for that autograph. Looking for a big autograph. Come on, make my day. Josh Jacobs. Raiders. Devin Singletary. Allen Robinson II. Chris Godwin. Tyreek Hill. Tyrann Mathieu. Another Ticketmaster. Saquon Barkley. I like these Ticketmasters. What's this one? Standing Ovations, Drew Brees, Saints. J.K. Dobbins, rookie. Put him aside. Jason Huntley, rookie. Okay. Down to 3. Come on, man. Waited all day to bust these open. Make it worth my while. Don't let me down, Panini. Okay. Rob Gronkowski. Derek Carr, Raiders. Josh Allen. Le'Veon Bell. Von Miller. Action pack DeMarcus Lawrence. Another Ticketmasters. Josh Allen. Standing ovations. Baker Mayfield. Jeff Okuda, rookie. Christian Fulton, rookie. Come on. Like the box says, 1 autograph and 2 memorabilia cards per box on average. Where are we at? We're down to the last 2 packs. Right, Dwayne Haskins, AJ Green, Matt Ryan, Marlon Mack, Kyler Murray. Flip this over. Lamar Jackson, rookie rush J.K. Dobbins. Uh-oh, could this be our autograph or is this a memorabilia card? Ah, okay, memorabilia card. Star Search, Cole Kmet, and he's a rookie. So let me sleeve this guy. I happen to have a thick card sleeve standing by. There we go. Okay. And the rest of that pack, Derek Brown. Oh, Joe Burrow. Okay. Let me sleeve him just in case. I haven't gotten too many Joe Burrow cards lately. Alright, man. Kiss it for good luck. This is it. I feel it. It's coming out here. It's coming out here. Oh, come on now. Does it feel heavy? Does it feel different? DK Metcalf. Zach Ertz. Mark Ingram II. Daniel Hunter. Phillip Rivers. Cameron Jordan. Jordan Love. Okay, I think we got our... Oh, it's a memorabilia. Okay, Jonathan Taylor, and he's a rookie. So a patch card. Jonathan Taylor. Let me get a thick card sleeve. Okay. And let me sleeve up Jordan Love. All right. And we're down to the last 2 cards. Michael Pittman Jr. and Thaddeus Moss. Well, the box didn't lie. 1 autograph and 2 memorabilia cards per box on average. I didn't get my autograph, but I got my memorabilia cards. Was it worth it? I'm kind of disappointed. I did want an autograph. That's why I was seeking this box out today. But hey, that's how it goes. That's part of the game, right? Anyway, that's a look at NFL rookies and stars. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked this video, please click like. And hopefully you can follow me and look out for my other videos in the near future. So again, thanks a lot and see you soon.